Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Smart Monitor M7, and today I'll show you how you can connect to network on this monitor. It's still kind of weird saying that this is a monitor that I get to connect to network, so bear with me. But anyway, I'll be using a remote for this, obviously. Guess I'm gonna just keep it kind of like visible on the screen so you can see what I'm pressing here, but generally we just want to go home, press on the home button and then scroll to the side, precisely to the left, and this will give you the settings right here. Confirm it, and we're gonna now scroll down to General, Network, and we're gonna now look for Network, Open Network Settings. Now additionally, actually I can leave this, if you can connect from here, or also if you didn't actually connect to network before, you will have the option to, let me quickly go back just so you can see. So if you actually didn't connect to it at all, you get this annoying pop-up right here that you need to agree to the terms and policy, because why the F wouldn't you need to agree to terms and policy on your monitor to actually use it fully? So you can simply go into settings, I believe. There we go, like this. So up, and once it's selected, you can click on it as well. So depending on which one is accessible, both of them will get you to the same location, which is network connection. This one is quicker, but that is for the people that haven't connected to network beforehand, or ever before they get the monitor. For everybody else that just, I don't know, for instance, moved locations and you already agreed to terms and conditions, you need to go to the settings. So from here, we can simply go into our network, select, as you see, I just selected my Wi-Fi right here, and from there, I'm gonna put in the password. So probably would be nice to do it off the camera. So let me kind of cover it up. Okay, so there we go. I just connected to my network, and now we're getting the best part of it, which is the terms and conditions. And for some stupid reason, these are displayed in a different language than I actually have the entire device in. Why is that a thing, even? So, as you can see, I'm speaking in English, right? But these things are in Polish, because I'm in Poland, obviously. But the language of the device is in English. That infuriates me so much, it's not even funny. It also looks like we can skip this. Now, I know that this is in English, or not in English, but in Polish, so this makes no effing sense. OK seems to be, generally understandable by literally everybody in the world, but Pomin is not. So if you're kind of like me as an example, but you don't actually speak the language that it's displaying right now, if you do want to skip the terms and conditions right here, you can select this option right here and just eat them out the window. Now I'll be sticking with OK, just so it gives me some additional options like the actual smart features of this device. So from here, additionally, once you connect to it and agree to the terms, you get to sign into your Samsung account. Now the reason you might want to do this is because number one, you can download apps, and number two, you can actually use the Smart Things application to basically set up some kind of rules to it. So if something happens, then the monitor does something. And additionally, you can also use that slap to quickly connect it when you just tap the phone on the side of the monitor. But I'll be just skipping it. Oh wait, seriously? There we go. I'm gonna go to the next page, and we can now skip it. And there we go. As you can see, no, that is actually not the end. From here we can also add some applications, as you can see right here, to the list of apps that are right here. So these are the ones that are kind of default in here. We can add a couple more. Honestly, I'm not gonna bother, so I'm just gonna select done. Yes, I am sure. Get started. And there we go. So this was kind of like the connecting to network, but as you can see, it kind of diverted into some additional things just because of the terms and service that were additionally here. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.